we're at the lake with my sister. She got her fishing net. So we went up this hill, down it. Actually very cool. Well, I'll show you. It goes all the way up there. It's actually really fun to get up it because it's like sandy and you like drift a lot on it. Anyway, let's go catch some fish. They're very cool. What a beautiful view. Little bench. You got it. Try open it.
There's some slug inside.
Look at that. That's disgusting. People eat this. Well, I mean, I get it's from a lake, but still similar. That is disgusting. So we literally just went out of food. We were at the lake, we came here. Well, we're now at the home and farm, and we literally just went out of food. As soon as we got here, it just died. Actually mad.